and increasing influence of consumer health awareness on pet-related purchases. Functional and the growth aspects are functional dog and cat food, added value, other pet food and dietary supplement, and healthcare products. Development of upper class segment and induce the dog and cat food, including dog and cat treats with functional properties. Pressure on living spaces in urban areas. We know that Dhaka and other mega cities are growing, and apartment culture is there, and there are less space, which leads small mammals, cage bird adoption, cage bird food and other fish food and other products, because people are adopting those pets which can be kept in an apartment. Another accelerated consumer style creating demand for convenient products. Cage bird food, dry dog and cat food, which is easier to serve and store. Increase in indoor pets. Recently we found that lots of indoor pets are adopted by different people like cats, hamster, guinea pig, cage bird, and carpet dogs. These ensure the different new products like cat litter, dry dog food and cat food. These are the opportunity of growth. And expansion of pet stores in major markets also ensure premium dog and cat food, treats and pet care products for the available. And aging pet population due to healthier diets and improved veterinary care. Right now, lots of veterinarians are coming up with their pet animal practice, and there are lots of importers who are supplying good quality healthcare products. So dogs are aging of pet population is increased, and dog and cat food treating specific age-related medical conditions such as arthritis and diabetes products are required. Increased segmentation. For increased segmentation, food, accessories, healthcare products targeting pet according to factors such as age, breed, size, coat length and lifestyle. Growing consumer concern regarding the manufacturer of pet food. Increasing demand for pet food made with natural ingredients and organic products. Increased usage of fashion products like pet apparel, toys and housing. Existing supply chain for pet food and accessories in Bangladesh. The importers play a vital role for supplying pet food and accessories in our country. And there are many domestic poultry and dairy food, medicine and accessories manufacturers in Bangladesh which can easily turn their focus to pet food manufacturing, because there are lots of imported products are saturated in the market. There is no local production here. So there is an opportunity for the existing poultry and dairy feed millers and other manufacturers to produce pet products. For pet food in Bangladesh, the main focus tends to be on pet treats and mixers such as biscuits. Apart from Smart Heart, City, Classic, Mio, Pedigree, these are the food brands. There are other imported pet foods such as Whiskas, Purina, Friskies, Drools, Go Jerky, Sheba, Fancy Feast, Nine Lives, Hello Pets. Lots of these international brands are available here in our country. So opportunity is there that similar products can be produced here in our country with our own brands. Moreover, multinational franchise or joint venture have an ample scope for domestic production facilities. Since the development of pet industry is an embryonic stage, only by the importers in Bangladesh, the regular availability of brands has hampered the creation of new pet brand development in Bangladesh. Pet care extension system in Bangladesh. The pet owners are slowly but surely become empowered by information dissemination, mainly by vets, breeders and pet shop owners. As a central advisory role of vet is evident in everyday decision regarding the pet healthcare, food, nutrition, accessories, grooming, welfare, basic management over the decade. Manufacturer will need to communicate directly with practicing small vets and pet owners. Although the prepared food market is growing gradually. In some household, people have fed their pet prepared home food scrap, thinking that this is more nutritious. But this trend is slowly changing in major Bangladeshi cities and urban areas as well. With their products, and many are using the professionals to recommend prepared pet food to their owners, like Smart Heart, Whiskas, Mew. These sort of brands are doing this sort of activity. Pedigree was one of the foreign brands to target pet owners directly through web communication, print, visual advertisement, and direct communication. But right now their operation is not active. Other brands like Smart Heart, Classic, New, and other increasingly using personal selling to vets and joint signboard offering to the pet shop. These marketing strategies have practiced by local importers with the assistance of their principal company and to some extent by their own. Role of veterinarians in pet industry. As a central advisory role of the vet in everyday decision regarding the pet health care and wellness. This is in my long experience, I found that all pet owners and even breeders are asking us regarding different simple issues, because their knowledge is not that much improved. So veterinarian's role is very vital and important. A veterinarian should know each and every aspect of pet animal healthcare and management as well, because they not only ask the healthcare issue, they also ask about management issue as well, even breed issue. While it is difficult to target healthcare products and dietary supplement directly to pet owners, manufacturers can start this process by promoting their food brands through the small animal veterinary community, media, and increasing their distribution reach to vet chambers. Importers and manufacturers should ensure that retail outlets and vet chambers selling pet food also offer pet accessories and grooming products as well. The increasing number of vet chambers, pet shops, and advertisements for pet food brands combined with greater concerns about pet health and welfare are driving the shift towards prepared pet food. The number of print-based advertising campaigns like banners, color signboard, and leaflets are the generally practiced by different importers. The support of vets for these campaigns has led pet owners to purchase prepared food. Conclusion: the Bangladeshi pet animal market is a young, growing market, and there are a few major importer players that are active in it. And importers currently constitute 95% of the total pet food. So there is ample scope for the local manufacturers to come up with manufacturing facilities. The pet healthcare, food, and accessory market has been growing so fast for the last few years. Consumption of Bangladeshi pet food and accessories is currently concentrated in urban towns and major cities, and much of demand for branded dog, cat, rabbit, cage bird food as well as accessories are generated almost wholly from the urban population, which is key target segment for marketing and promotional initiatives. Thank you.
For the pet, what is the pet? As a whole, what Sobi says regarding the treatment and diagnosis, you see, there is so many vet are working in the field of the pet animals. In every Upazila, there is a vet, they also doing the treatment. But these treatments are not organized, that you say. But you say, there is no such type of medicine and vaccine, and there is no, you see, in OIE report, there is so many viral, bacterial, as well as fungal diseases for the pet. These diseases are not awarding on our people of veterinary services. As a major thing is held up on this issue, now the recommendations to become forward, like your question. I also request the presenter, he should be in the presentation. If he recommended that one today, we can go for the recommendation
from some of policymakers already contact with me and asked me to develop a list of things to do from governments and other sectors. So I am preparing that accordingly. And one thing I would like to say that in our pet animal practice, we use human medicine, because in pet practice 95% medicine is human medicine. So I do not understand why local pharmaceuticals cannot focus in this, because they have already their suppose Square or other Renata or Novartis. They have a good ranges which we already use, and if they just change the packaging, they can arrange a good range of pet animal products with their human needs. So it depends upon the focus, and government should give some strategy guideline that before giving any say human product registration, they can put an embargo that you should launch 3 or 4 pet products according which can be for those human drugs which can be used in pet animals. So I think and even in animal health pharmaceuticals, they have ample scope for launching different pet animal products, because everyone have some thought that pet animal is a niche market, and we are practicing that. We found that the representative who are visiting us, they said, sir, we sell 1 lakh taka in your clinic within 15 days, but this 1 lakh taka sell from poultry and dairy, we have to invest our 2 months to acquire this sort of sale. So market is there, although the market is niche, but the bottom line or the product margin and the product volume is less. So you have to, based on the market research, there should be statistical market research to find what our chairman has said, that each and every pet population should be figured out. In that case, we can develop the strategies. Please.
We need the classification of pet. Actually, what sorts of animal we could rear in our house? As because very often I found in Kadabon, the birds are taken away by the forest department. But which one I could rear, I don't know. Is there any classification? What sorts of pet could be reared in the homestead or not?
Yes, thank you. Suppose in dog, there is a working group, there is a toy group, there is a guard group. So in their breeds, there are lots of indications. The breeders in our country, there is no established breeder. There are lots of breeders already developed, but they are not maintaining the standard operating procedures of a breeding organization situation. And they are cage bird. If you open a cage bird in a wild environment, that will be a disaster for them.
Based on the outcome of the study, it is suggested that DLS thank for financial support to conduct the study.
My first question is, you use milk for identification of brucella affected cows, but how will you diagnose if the cow is dry or if it is fever?
থিরের উপরে প্যারেটি দেখালে ভালো হতো, আর কি কারণে এই সময় ইনফেকশনটা বেশি এটা জানলে একটু ভালো হতো।
It is a multifactorial disease which results from interaction between.
Then you may look at mycotoxins and some of the anti-nutritional factors.
Fillet becomes, remains same, so without changing anything, and then they have very good packaging.
In fungus culture again, in fungus use.
I think so. I have no idea where they are using. At least I think lives, it goes to lives together.
Right. But in Vietnam, they do not allow Pangasius to go back to Pangasius. Europe and the US against Pangasius, saying this product is not safe.
Very good afternoon to all. Chairman, dignitaries of the dais.
Are you doing any local brood here?
And then after that, we went to visit farm. And farmer is actually doing already solving the problem. How they solve this?
মানুষ জানতে পারবে যে পেট অ্যানিমেলের হেলথ কেয়ারের জন্য এখন অর্গানাইজেশন হচ্ছে এবং এর মাধ্যমে তারা তাদের পোষা প্রাণীটিকে সুস্থ রাখে।